Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10L. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport, and firstly enter loyalty. Select loyalty card you would like to add. For example, IKEA UK. And now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Now let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. And that's it. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.